Very good morning, good afternoon and good evening for all those who are watching this video. This is Sinul Kumar from Yuva India Securities. Let us make your expenditure an investment. Today we are going to talk about a particular stock on how to evaluate on both technical side as well as fundamental side, basically using multiple platforms we have around us. So today we are going to discuss about Apollo Hospitals. Let us look into the technical analysis of Apollo Hospitals. If I take Apollo Hospitals on monthly charts, it has been tremendously grown from, let's say, from all the way up to, you can take it the base value of 16 rupees to today the value of stock is 4,766. If you look at this chart, you can see that multiple times dividends has been paid by the company. On COVID, you can see that there was a huge downfall happened, but after that it was like moving upward and upward and upward. Buyers are only in control. If you look at the weekly charts for the same, let us say weekly charts here, it is consolidating from the higher and highers. So it went up to, let's say, 5,905 at the point, let's say on back in 2021 November 22. Then it is consolidating or profit booking is happening. If you look at once again in the monthly charts, let's say it is consolidating here as well, correct? So if you go to weekly charts, you can see here there is a huge support or buyers are entering in the market. You can draw a trend line like this. Let's say, yeah, you can draw a trend line like this. You can also draw a trend line like this, and a breakout is happening here. You can just look like this. It's just my opinion or my view. And if you look at daily charts, let's say it has broken the trend line. Exactly, it has broken the trend line yesterday. So I'll be looking for buying this stock for short term movement as per the technical analysis. Okay, if I look at the fundamental analysis of this stock, let us get into Screener.com or .in. So if you look at the Screener platform, you can see that Apollo Hospital is all about, and you can see here the basic details about market cap and the high low prices, current prices, stock PE and book value, dividend yield, ROCE, ROE, return on equity, or so you can see all these details in the beginning stage itself, and you can plot your chart according to your investment horizon, and you can see the pros and cons. The company has delivered a good profit growth of 44.8% of CAGR over last 5 years. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 21%, which we have seen earlier in the charts. The cons are the stock is trading 11.4 times its book value, and the company has low return on equity, 10% over last 3 years. If you compare with these peer comparisons, Apollo Hospital is leading from the front. Okay, and let us look at the quarterly results. The sales are increasing back from 2019 2,841 crore to till date it is increasing like 4,251 crores. And if you look at P&L, it is growing. Fundamentally, you can see that numbers are increasing. You can also see all these details and get into technical or fundamental analysis completely in the screener. Let us get into ticker tape analysis. In this platform, you can see that intrinsic value has a red flag, ROE versus FD rate is comparatively on a green flag. Entry point you can consider at this moment because it's not an overbought zone. No red flags as such as per current analysis. Let us say in the healthcare industries, it is also in the large cap, which we have a low risk entry point as of current prices. So let us assume that both signals, let's say on the technical analysis also we have got a good green signal. In fundamental analysis also it seems like a good green signal, and we can see that what is the SWOT analysis is saying in the Trendlyne platform. So if you look at SWOT analysis, let's say 8 points are there in the strength. We can consider what are the points, let's say consistent highest return on stocks over last 5 years in the Nifty 500. Stock annual EPS growth is good. Company with low debt. Company is reducing its debt, increasing revenue every quarter for the last 2 quarters. Book value per share is improving in the last 2 years. FIIs and FPIs are institutional increasing their shareholdings. So these are the strength which we can see in the Apollo Hospitals. Weakness, we have 4 points. Opportunities, we have another 9 points. Threats, we have none. So we can see overall we have an opportunity, as well as the strength points are more increasing in the stock. Check the stock, or you can go through all these platforms to understand how you can analyze a stock or a script, or you can index. Even indexes can be analyzed in such a way. Go through all these platforms for your personal analysis. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Sinu Shivkumar from Yuva India Securities.